heavy, me siento 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 heavy, me siento. That's right. Don't forget to register your car in the front, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is a guy over here. Guy with a green Joker Magnum over there. There's like a lot of Magnums here.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, a lot of Magnums here. Is it raining?
It was a light drizzle when we were driving over here.
I hope it don't.
I hope it don't. Nah, I'll be upset.
Yeah.
They're moving. Fucking cars moving quick.
Yeah.
Yo, John, I was looking at a white one.
Oh, really?
I was looking, they got it inside of